Hey everyone! In this video, we've picked the top 5 cabinet table saws you can find right now. There are lots of different types of table saws out there, like portable job site saws, contractor saws, and cabinet saws, and today we're focusing just on cabinet saws. These are the heavy-duty, powerful machines that really shine when you need precision, stability, and long-lasting performance. They're great if you're serious about woodworking, whether that's building furniture, cabinets, or any detailed wood projects. Of course, everyone's needs are different. Some people want power, some want safety, some want flexibility. So we've chosen options that cover a range of uses to help you find the best fit for what you do. Let's jump in and see which one might be right for you. At number 5 is the Maksiwa SC 1100.X cabinet saw. This saw is a great option if you're a serious hobbyist or a woodworking enthusiast who wants a reliable machine that can handle a variety of tasks without stepping into full professional territory. Its 2.5 horsepower motor delivers enough power to cut through hardwoods like oak or maple, as well as softer woods, plywood, and MDF. The laser guide is a handy feature if you're aiming for precision but don't want to fuss with complicated setups. It helps keep your cuts straight, so you get cleaner, more accurate results every time. The table is made of cast iron, which adds stability and reduces vibrations, giving you more control and better quality cuts. If you have a dedicated workspace or small home shop, this saw is sturdy but still manageable in size. It also comes with useful extras like a push stick and blade removal tool, so you're ready to start working safely right away. Plus, your 2-year warranty means the company stands behind its product, which is reassuring if you're investing in a more serious saw for your projects. Overall, this is a solid choice for those who want a dependable, precise saw for furniture, cabinets, or woodworking projects, without breaking the bank or needing industrial-level power. Number 4 is the Grizzly Industrial G223RLWX, which stands out because it combines a powerful cabinet saw with a built-in router table. The 5-horsepower motor is designed for heavy-duty, professional-level woodworking, capable of ripping through thick hardwoods and long sheets of plywood with ease. This motor runs on 240 volts, so it's meant for workshops with proper electrical setups. The built-in rotor table is a big advantage if you want to save space or reduce the number of tools you need to buy and maintain. Instead of switching between separate machines, you can route and cut with the same unit, which is a huge efficiency boost for cabinet makers or furniture builders. The machine is very heavy, over 600 pounds, which means it's incredibly stable and won't move or vibrate much during operation. That weight contributes to better accuracy and smoother cuts. This saw is best suited for someone with enough space and experience who wants a powerful, flexible machine that covers a wide range of woodworking needs. If you're running a small shop or a serious home workshop and want to do detailed cutting and shaping all in one place, this saw is a great fit. At number 3 is the Grizzly Industrial GE0899 Hybrid Table Saw. This model is designed to fill the gap between contractor saws, which are portable but less powerful, and cabinet saws, which are heavy-duty but often expensive and large. The hybrid design means you get a strong cast iron table that offers stability and reduces vibration, important for making precise, clean cuts. Its high-speed steel blade is sharp and durable, suitable for cutting various types of wood, from soft pine to hardwoods. This saw is ideal for serious DIYers or small business owners who want to do quality woodworking without needing a huge industrial machine. It's a great choice if your projects include furniture, shelves, or cabinetry where accuracy matters. But your space or budget can't accommodate a full cabinet saw. The hybrid saw gives you many benefits of a professional saw, like stability and precision, while still being somewhat more affordable and space-friendly. It's a smart middle ground for woodworkers growing their skills and workshop setup. At number 2 is the Powermatic PM1000, a saw designed for woodworkers who want smooth, easy control paired with accuracy and reliability. Its 1.75 horsepower motor runs on either 115 or 230 volts, so it fits a variety of home or small shop electrical setups. One of its best features is the ergonomic 7-inch hand wheels, which make adjusting the blade height and tilt effortless and precise, especially if you do a lot of angled or detailed cuts. The AccuFence system keeps the fence locked firmly in place, so you can trust that your rip cuts will be straight and consistent every time. Its cast iron table has beveled edges, which makes sliding your wood through easier and less likely to catch. The Poly V-belt drive system reduces vibration, so your cuts are smoother and your motor runs more efficiently and quietly. Safety features include a toolless guard assembly that's simple to set up and use, plus a sturdy miter gauge that pivots up to 60 degrees in either direction for angled cuts. This saw suits woodworkers who focus on furniture making, cabinet building, or any project requiring precise, repeatable cuts, and want a machine that feels solid and easy to operate. At number 1 is the SawStop Industrial Cabinet Saw, widely regarded as the safest and most advanced cabinet saw on the market. What truly sets it apart is its patented safety system that detects when the blade touches skin and instantly stops it in less than 5 milliseconds, then drops the blade below the table. This technology drastically reduces the risk of serious injury and can literally save your fingers. Beyond safety, this saw delivers professional-grade power with a 3-horsepower motor and a massive 52-inch T-glide fence assembly made of heavy steel. This fence locks down firmly and doesn't bend or flex, which is critical for cutting long boards or making large furniture pieces. The saw's dust collection system is top-notch, capturing nearly all dust above and below the table, which helps keep your workspace clean and reduces health risks from wood dust. This saw is built for pros or serious hobbyists who spend many hours woodworking and want a machine that combines top safety features, power, precision, and durability. It's a significant investment, but one that offers peace of mind and outstanding performance for anyone who values safety and quality above all. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you get a clearer picture of which cabinet table saw suits your needs best. Whether you're just starting out, upgrading your workshop, or going full pro, there's something here for everyone. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these saws, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and helpful guides. See you next time.